Hi everyone, welcome to Westart Creations. Let's hop into the Easter fun with bunnies, chicks, eggs, flowers, and baskets. Time to add some Easter colors to our drawings. Thanks for joining our Easter drawing adventure. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more festive fun. Bye bye.